Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ema English Daily. I'm Ema, and today we're talking about something that scares many English learners tenses.
And I'm Jack. Honestly, Ema, when people say English has 12 tenses, I feel nervous already. 12 sounds impossible.
I understand, Jack, but here's the good news. For normal daily conversations, you really only need three main tenses to start speaking naturally and confidently.
Wait, seriously? Only 3? That already makes me feel better.
Yes, think about your life. You talk about things happening now, things that happened before, and things that will happen later. That's present, past, and future. These three tenses can help you talk about almost everything in daily life.
That actually sounds simple when you explain it like that.
Exactly. And today, we'll start with the simple present tense, which I call the everyday tense because we use it for routines, habits, and facts.
Like things we do again and again?
Exactly. For example, I drink coffee every morning, or she works at a hospital. These are regular activities, so we use simple present.
Oh, I think I get it. So if I say, I wake up at 7, I eat breakfast, I go to work, and I watch TV at night. That's all simple present too?
Perfect, Jack. That's natural everyday English. You just described your whole daily routine using one tense.
Nice. But I remember there's one small grammar rule with he and she, right?
Yes, only one easy rule. With I, you, we, and they, the verb stays the same. But with he, she, and it, we usually add is. For example, he works, she eats, and it rains.
Honestly, that's much easier than I expected.
See? English becomes easier when you learn step by step instead of trying to memorize everything at once.
I like that advice. I already feel more confident about speaking English now.
Before we move to the next tense, here's one more important thing about simple present. We also use it for facts and things that are always true, like the sun rises in the east or cats sleep a lot.
That second one is definitely true. My cat sleeps almost the whole day and only wakes up to eat.
That sounds like every cat in the world. So remember, simple present is for routines, habits, and facts. It's one of the most useful tenses in English.
And honestly, I think people already use it without even knowing the grammar name.
Exactly. Now let's move to tense number 2, the simple past, or what I call the yesterday tense.
So this tense is for finished actions, right?
Yes. We use it for things that already happened and are completely finished. For example, I visited my friend yesterday, or we watched a movie last night.
Oh, so this is the tense for telling stories and talking about memories.
Perfect. That's exactly how native speakers use it every day.
Okay, but how do we make simple past sentences?
For many verbs, you simply add ed. Walk becomes walked, cook becomes cooked, and watch becomes watched.
That part feels easy, but then come the irregular verbs that make everything scary.
Don't worry too much. You only need the most common ones at first. For example, go becomes went, eat becomes ate, have becomes had, and see becomes saw.
So I can say, I went to the park, or I ate pizza yesterday.
Exactly. Those sound completely natural.
And what about questions in the past? I always get confused there.
Very simple. We use did. For example, did you sleep well? Or did you eat breakfast? After did, the main verb stays in its normal form.
So we say, did you go, not did you went?
Correct. Did already shows the past, so the second verb stays simple.
I think I finally understand this tense now. Yesterday, I woke up late, made coffee, went to the park, walked for a while, watched a movie, and went to bed early.
Great job, Jack. You just described your entire day using simple past.
Wow, one tense can really tell a whole story.
Exactly. Now let's learn the final tense for today. The simple future or the tomorrow tense.
This one sounds exciting already.
It's very easy too. We use it for plans, predictions, dreams, and things that have not happened yet.
So, how do we make it?
Just add will before the verb. I will eat. She will come. Or they will travel next week.
That's probably the easiest tense so far because nothing changes.
Exactly. No extra S, no ed, nothing difficult. Just will plus the verb for everyone.
I already love this tense.
And in everyday conversation, native speakers often use short forms like I'll, she'll, or they'll.
Right, because people usually speak faster naturally.
Exactly. English becomes much easier when you listen to real conversations little by little.
And now we've learned the three most important tenses: present, past, and future.
We also use short forms in future tense because native speakers like speaking faster and more naturally. Instead of I will eat, people usually say I'll eat, and instead of she will come, they say she'll come.
Yeah, that sounds much more natural in real conversations.
Exactly. And there's another very common way to talk about the future, going to.
Right, I remember that one. Like, I'm going to cook dinner tonight.
Perfect. We usually use going to for plans we already decided before speaking.
So, if I suddenly decide something now, I can use will. But if it's already planned, I can use going to.
Exactly. For example, I'll help you is a quick decision, but I'm going to visit my grandmother next week is already planned.
That actually makes sense now. But for beginners, both are okay, right?
Absolutely. Don't stress too much about the difference. If you use either one, people will still understand you clearly.
Good, because I want to start speaking first and learn the small details later.
That's the best way to learn a language naturally.
Okay, let me practice the future tense. Tomorrow I'll wake up early. I'm going to go to the gym. I'll eat a healthy breakfast, and I'm going to study English for an hour before I watch a movie at night.
That sounded excellent, Jack. You just talked naturally about your whole tomorrow.
Honestly, these three tenses already feel enough for daily conversations.
They really are. Present tense helps you talk about your life now, past tense helps you tell stories, and future tense helps you talk about plans and dreams.
Can I try using all three together on one topic?
Yes, that's actually one of the best exercises for practice. Pick one topic and talk about it in the present, past, and future.
Okay, I'll use coffee. Present tense. I drink coffee every morning and I love strong coffee. Past tense. Yesterday I went to a new cafe and tried their special latte. Future tense. Tomorrow I'll go there again and I'm going to try their iced coffee.
That was fantastic. See how easily you moved through all three time zones?
Past, present, and future, all connected by coffee.
Exactly. And that's the real goal of learning English. Being able to talk naturally about your life.
I also like how these tenses help with different situations. Present for routines, past for memories, and future for plans.
Perfect summary, Jack. And for anyone listening, here's the easiest order to learn them. First, simple present, then simple past, and finally, simple future.
Step by step instead of trying to learn everything at once.
Exactly. You do not need all 12 tenses to start speaking English confidently. These three are enough for real conversations.
And later, we can slowly learn the other tenses too.
Of course. But for now, these three tenses are your best friends in English.
I like that idea. 3 best friends for every English learner.
And here's a fun practice tip before we finish today's episode. Choose one topic like food, family, work, or travel, then talk about it in the present, past, and future. It's simple, practical, and very powerful.
Just like we did with coffee.
Exactly. For example, if the topic is family, I love my family. That's a simple present. Last Sunday, we visited my grandmother. That's the simple past. Next month, we will have a big family dinner. That's the simple future.
1 topic, 3 time zones, 3 sentences. That actually feels fun and easy.
And you can practice this every day with a different topic. Food, movies, work, hobbies, friends, anything.
Okay, my topic tonight will definitely be pizza.
Of course, it will be pizza.
Simple present. I eat pizza every Friday. Simple past. Last Friday, I ate a huge pizza with my friends. Simple future. Next Friday, I will try a new pizza restaurant.
Perfect, Jack. Natural, simple, and easy to understand.
Honestly, learning English feels much less scary now.
That's because you're focusing on communication first, not perfection.
And mistakes are okay too, right?
Absolutely. Make mistakes, keep talking, and keep practicing. That's how real progress happens.
I still remember what you said before. Messy English is better than silent English.
Exactly. And look, you just used a simple present perfectly again.
Maybe I'm improving faster than I thought.
You definitely are. Okay, before we finish today's episode, let's do a quick review.
We learned the 3 most important tenses for everyday English.
Right. First, simple present, the everyday tense for habits, routines, and facts.
Like I drink coffee, she works hard, and it rains a lot.
Second, simple past, the yesterday tense for finished actions and memories.
Like I watched a movie. She visited her friend, and we had dinner together.
And finally, simple future, the tomorrow tense for plans, predictions, and future actions.
Like I will study tonight, or we are going to travel next summer.
Perfect. You remembered everything beautifully today.
I really learned a lot, and I think our listeners did too.
We hope so. Thank you so much for spending time with us today on EMA English Daily.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends.
Before we go, we have a small challenge for everyone listening.
Write 3 sentences about your life. 1 in simple present, 1 in simple past, and 1 in simple future.
For example, I drink tea every morning. Yesterday, I drank green tea. Tomorrow, I will try black tea.
Simple, practical, and great practice for real English conversations.
We'd love to read your answers. Thanks again for listening, everyone.
Take care, keep practicing, and see you next time on EMA English Daily.
Bye, everyone.